Well, that's not dyslexic. I just plumb didn't know it. Number 14, you said. Sweet. No, I don't want to do stuff I don't have to. What are you, crazy? I'm just like you. I'm just kidding, man. Is number 13 and 7 is 14? They're the same question, so it wouldn't really matter a whole lot. Step 1, you said you could do. You take factors of 7 and factors of 2. So 7 and 1 and 7 and 1 and 2. And you put these on top of these. So 1 over 1, 7 over 1, 1 over 2, 7 over 2. So those are the possible 1, 7, half, 7 halves.
Why do you don't have 2?
What? I won't have 2.
No, you have a factor of 2 and 1 and 2.
Yeah, these go on top of 1 and 7 go on top of 1, 1 and 7 go on top of 2. That's it. You don't do it another way around.
Okay.
So we got those. Now these are the possible zeros. And we want to use polynomial division and quadratic formula. Well, I'm going to use my graphing calculator to help me pick out which one of these I should use polynomial division on and the quadratic formula. Don't think less of me because I'm not cheating. It didn't say not to use my calculator, so it didn't say one? Well, what do you know? Let's try it here. 2x to the third plus x squared minus 14x minus 7. Put that in right? I believe so. You lie. You lie. I see 3. I see 3. So I want to say that would be a half, a negative 1/2. Second value, negative 1/2. Yeah, negative 1/2. Do you use the table? Are you using the table? Oh, see, these 1/2 and 7/2 aren't going to be in your table.
So what? I know I have to pick something second value.
I'm going to go second trace and pick value, and then plug in negative 0.5. And it should give me a y value of 0.
So what if you didn't know the negative 0.5? Where can you plug in the 0 to find it?
You don't.
Okay.
Unless we spend another 15 minutes talking about a calculator.
Okay. But it's one of your possible ones.
But it's one of my possible. So I'm not cheating. I'm using the possible ones.
All your possible ones are plus or minus.
And they're plus or minuses. So I know it's not a positive 1/2. But this over here, what is 7/2? 3.5. So I'm going to use 3.5. Negative 3.5. See if that's it. No. I get negative 31.5, so that doesn't work. And what about 3.5? No. That didn't work either. Pooh. So at least I got one of them. Negative 1/2. So I'm going to use my... It says polynomial division, but I don't like polynomial division. I like synthetic division.
So is that okay? The same thing you said, right?
What's that?
Synthetic and polynomial.
Sure. Two, a 1, a negative 4. Okay. Sweet. Using my synthetic division there. I start off with x cubed. So now I've got x squared. So 2x squared minus 14 equals 0. And that's not because this is 0. I'm just saying this is what I want to use now to find those other zeros. That's why I'm setting it equal to 0, not because I got a remainder of 0. So you want to what? Knock the 14 over. Take divide by 2. And then take the square root of it. plus minus the square root of 7. So my actual zeros are x equals, well, my actual zeros are negative 1/2 and square root of 7 and negative square root of 7. If I went back to my little doodad here, and I plugged in the second trace value, square root of 7, hit enter. Bow, right there. It's hard to see, but it says y equals 0. Right there it is. And if I put the other one in, negative square root of 7, I get my other guy right there, y equals 0. So there's all 3 of them.